Guys, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade and build the lightning staff today. The first part's going to be right here. At this little area right here, you're going to go to the stair area at the end of the tank. Stand right here and get ready to jump at this clearing right here. You'll jump right here and grab this part over here.
The staff parts are scattered across the site. The fire will consume you completely.
The second part, you're going to need the tank again. You're going to get on it. There's a part right here at excavation you need to jump off at. Jump off right there. By that. If you have stamina up, you can make it to the tank in time. If not, you could have somebody get on. Yeah, I had nobody get on and I didn't have stamina up, so I couldn't make it. Your final part, you're going to have to take the tank again. You're going to want to go on the tank. Get this last part right here at the church. And that's it on how to build your staff. For this next part, we're going to be showing you how to upgrade your staff.